Got that free from a viewer on TikTok. Diane, if you're watching, thank you. First look, just got a Briggs. It's filthy. We're gonna skip a bath. It's too cold out. It's 30 degrees out nowadays. It's got gas. I don't know about spiders and gas. Fuel is shut off. That's still good oil, but we need to add some. I'll change it. New battery, 2018 by the looks of it. For kicks and giggles, booster pack. Let's see if it even turns. Brake is on. Gas is off. Yeah. Yep, lots of stuff in that engine. But it wants to turn. There you go. If history has taught me anything, I gotta start more at the battery terminals. Just clean them up, wire brush, nothing to it. Nice clean copper. Do the terminals as well on the battery. Take the hood off. Off with the cover. Yummy, look at that. You can see mouse all over the place on this thing. Oh God, nasty. No, I did not cover the carburetor. Yes, I'm probably gonna have to clean it. Oh God, let's give her a shot. Mostly just scary how slow it's turning. There we go. See? All right, I'm gonna pull the spark plug too. That end's got some oil and stuff on it. Not the end of the world, right? But this side, look at the corrosion on this end. Plug out still. Let's give it a turn. You see that turns nice. So we're all right there. Let's see if we can see any spark at all. I see absolutely nothing, plus the battery is super dead anyway, and it should be of no surprise that we have crazy amounts of rust here. When that flywheel goes spinning around, that goes past this coil pack, which creates the voltage necessary to make our spark plug spark. But due to the rust on this, that is creating a no spark situation. I don't really have a great line of sight here. I'm not gonna wreck anything. I don't wanna wreck anything, so I'm gonna take this fan housing off. It can come off. Pull that off. Pull our grounding wire off as well. As I'm pulling off the ground wire for that, it looks like this has been pretty well chewed through by a mouse. So let's try this again. Put this up on the side, make sure it's touching metal, and let's give it a shot and see if there's any spark. No spark. So it's not our grounding cable. All right, let's see how that works out for us. Do the old dollar bill trick again. Just fold it in half, fold it in half, stick it in between this magnet and the coil, and that is our gap, because we don't want those to touch, ever. Turn our flywheel. Got my buck. So still have that grounding cable up. We're gonna look again for spark, see if that changed anything for us. Nothing. Before we end up putting money into anything at all, we're gonna test the magneto. We set our meter to ohms. The readings are all over the map. We're not getting a consistent reading no matter what. This coil is junk. New coil installed. Remember, we had spiders on the inside of this gas, and the color's not even correct. The color's not even, look at that dead spider back. Get out of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and drain that. We pulled our fuel line off of our filter, which I'm gonna replace that filter. But how do we get that gas out of there? Let me show you. Let's take a rag and our blowgun, put it right over top. We're gonna create some pressure. Nothing to it. Fresh gas. It's got a yellowish tint, not that orange hue. Orange hue means bad. I put a new fuel filter. No air filter currently. It's all right. Sprayed some ether. Bam. And brake is on. Choke is on, full throttle.